Small house bag crochet tutorial. If you use double strand yarn, we can use it as a foam bag, which is no problem if you crochet with single thread. Let's take a look at how to crochet. Prepare the yarn you need. Let's start crocheting the roof part. Start in a ring. 2 double crochets do not count as stitches, and crochet 14 double crochet stitches in the loop. OK, the second double crochet stitch. Then repeat to hook 14 stitches after the first round is completed. Let's connect the first stitch with a slip stitch. OK, make 2 standing stitches. We'll crochet an extra double crochet stitch. OK, in the second stitch, we hook a single double crochet stitch. The fourth stitch is a double crochet stitch. In this order, we finish this round. There are 21 double crochet stitches in the second round. OK, the third round is unchanged. There are 21 double crochet stitches. 1 stitch corresponds to 1 stitch. We finish the third round. We'll connect the first stitch with the last stitch. The fourth round is 2 stitches and 1 stitch, 1 double crochet stitch. The second stitch is a double crochet stitch. The third stitch is an increase stitch. We finish the fourth round. This is a set. OK, let's continue. A double crochet stitch. 1 double crochet stitch. In the third stitch, we'll crochet an extra stitch. After the fourth round, we also use the same method to connect. The fifth round is 3 stitches and 1 stitch. First stitch is double crochet stitch. The second stitch is double crochet stitch. And the third stitch is also a double crochet stitch. We'll crochet an extra double crochet stitch. We hook 2 in the same stitch. This is a set. Continue to crochet according to this pattern. 1 double crochet stitch, 2 double crochet stitches, then 3 double crochet stitches, and increase stitches on the fourth stitch. And make a slip stitch connection. In the sixth round, stand up 2 stitches. First stitch is double crochet stitch. The second stitch is double crochet stitch. And the third and fourth stitches are double crochet stitches. The fifth stitch is 4 increasing stitches. So the pattern of this round is every 4 plus 1. The second round is 1 stitch every 1. The third round is unchanged. From the fourth round, we increase every 2 stitches. 3 stitches and 4 stitches. This is the crochet pattern for the roof. The top part of our roof will be finished. Cut the thread. We will start crocheting the lower part. Take out the color of the house. Let's take a look at its starting stitch pattern. First, make a slip knot, and make 12 chain stitches. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After we finish, we'll crochet back from the second last stitch. We'll insert the hook into the second last stitch, and back hook a single crochet stitch. Add a marker at the first stitch, and increase a marker. Then, according to this rule, until you reach the last stitch. Single crochet stitch, the last stitch. In this stitch, we'll crochet 3 stitches in a row. You can increase a marker to the first stitch. Increase a marker. Still in this stitch. And then hook the second single crochet stitch, and the third single crochet stitch. Turn to the remaining half of the braid. And crochet single crochet stitches until. Let's see how to crochet. OK, bring the thread over and hook a single crochet stitch. For the last half of the stitch, a single crochet stitch in the same position, and hook another single crochet stitch. To make a connection. This is our first round. We crochet an extra single crochet stitch, and hang a marker on the first stitch, and then hook another single crochet stitch in the same position. All the stitches before the marker. 1 stitch corresponds to 1 stitch. When we reach the marker, we need to crochet 3 single crochet stitch increases in a row. The position of the increase And the second stage is also a single crochet stitch increase. And the third stage is also a single crochet stitch increase. Okay, now we are in the area where we don't increase. We keep crocheting. That is, crochet 9 stitches forward, and then we crochet the remaining 2 stitches. Also hook the single crochet stitch increase. Okay, bring the thread over and continue crocheting. For the last 2 stitches, we still crochet the single crochet stitch increase. After hooking, we'll connect with the marker to make a connection. This is the bottom of our crochet. Next, stand up 2 chain stitches. Insert the needle into its inner half. We'll crochet double crochet stitches. This round is unchanged, 30 double crochet stitches. Keep crocheting until you reach the height you need. For the earphone bag, 5 to 6 rounds are enough. If you are crocheting with 2 threads like me, and want to crochet a power bank bag, we may need to crochet 7 to 9 rounds. All double crochet stitches are increased and decreased. It's all the same, except for the first round of double crochet stitches. We all crochet the full stitches and hook into the entire stitch. We can also complete this part. After the house is crocheted to the required height, we directly start the braid stitch. The length of the braid, adjust it according to your personal preference. Crochet braid stitch by stitch up. When the length is enough, we go directly to the opposite side. Find the corresponding position and insert the needle. Then bring the thread over and hook a slip stitch, and chain it with a stitch. You can cut the thread. We bring the small thread inside the fabric. Hide the thread that should be hidden. After hiding them, to assemble our bag. Okay, after we finish, we insert the small roof. Insert the needle from the outside to the inside. Then, use our crochet needle. Bring out this small thread. Pull it out directly like this. Be careful. After pulling it out, you can cover it on top like this. That's it. This is a small house, an earphone bag. The small decoration on the house is also very simple. Start with 6 single crochet stitches in a ring. For small ones, we can directly start in a ring. 6 single crochet stitches are enough. We can crochet 6 single crochet stitches in the second round. According to personal situation, we can crochet 2 to 3. Okay, the last step is glue these small decorations and stick them on it. After heating the hot melt glue gun, we apply the glue to it. When gluing, be careful. If you like small ones, we can crochet with single thread. If you like big ones, we can use double strand yarn. The crocheting method is the same. Let's crochet together.